Hey everybody, it's Tom Martin from LawDroid, and I'm really excited to introduce you to CiteCheck AI. It helps you to verify your case citations with confidence. And I want to take it for a spin and show you what it could do. So first off, we need to pick a file. In this case, we're going to go to the infamous Mata versus Avianca case. And for this one, we're actually going to use the one that just has images. So it is not in a condition to read immediately. It's going to need some OCR. Okay, so as soon as we upload the document, you can see that it's already starting here. And you can look at the tracing here in the processing steps to see exactly what it's doing at every step of the process. You also get a progress overview here at the top, file upload, then it does the OCR because it was just a PDF file with images. It wasn't recognized as text yet, but we've gone through and we've done that. As you can see here, every single step is explained. And then once it's done with that step, it'll give a little green check mark, move on to the case validation, which it's doing now. And you can see it racing through each and every citation and then giving us an overview. But if you look at the steps in the tracing, you can see that it's validated every single site. There's 13 of them. And it's found 10 of them to be invalid, 3 of them to be valid. And so we could see the report down here. Here's the validation report. You can see the accuracy right now in terms of how many are valid is only 23%. 10 of them are invalid, 3 are valid out of 13. And then here we have the actual. So this case, Ashcroft, is valid. It has been checked against the court listener database. And if we want to actually view it, we click on view and we can actually see the case in the flesh right there and verify that it is real. And that's the same for each and every case that's valid. You can view it in real time for yourself. For anything that's invalid, like this one, Shaboon versus Egypt Air, it states the reason why it's been deemed to be invalid. So it was not found in the database. It doesn't exist. Another one, Peterson versus Iran Air, for example. Now this one, it mismatched the case name. So that means that the numeric citation actually appeared to be valid, but on second glance, we're expecting to find Peterson versus Iran Air, but actually the case that we found was USA versus Marine Services. So a different case. So case name mismatch, it's an invalid citation. And like that, for each and every invalid citation, there's an explanation clearly explained, as well as the fact that obviously you can't view an invalid case. And there you have it. That's the entire report. You can also export it by just clicking here. You get a little downloaded CSV file, which has all the self-same information. And if you have a premium account, you can refer back to your past searches by simply clicking on a dashboard, see your past runs with documents and reports. And so here you can see, for example, I ran the same search earlier. If I click to view the report, I could see the report. And then I'd also share a link to it if I wanted to. So I could click share link, go over here. Maybe I send that to someone in the firm who wants to also check it out, and they could pull it up immediately and see the same report I just generated with all of the same descriptions about each case and whether or not it was found valid or invalid and why. So there you go. There's CiteCheck AI. No more excuses for hallucinated cases. Every single lawyer out there in the world should use CiteCheck AI to check your citations. It's better to be safe than sorry. Don't risk embarrassment or potentially getting sanctioned by the court. Use CiteCheck AI.